We've got day 2 today of the man cave, and I'm just going to do some felt on sides of this. Hopefully I'm going to get the rubber roof as well. So I'm not an expert at this. If you're going to do any projects like this, then obviously there's lots of videos on YouTube, and just have a look at them and just see. This is just really for an idea and just to show you what I'm doing. So yeah, so let's go and have a look now. I had some of the damp proof left, so I've used it as just as an edging, just on bottoms, and then I'm just going to put felt over the top of that. Absolutely bouncing down today. I've started to put some felt on the side and then just batten it out at the top. So this is breathable membrane. I've just got this from Wicks. So yeah, it's bouncing it down today. I cannot finish this side yet because it's leaking in so badly here, and it's coming inside there, look. So I need the rubber roof part of it, and then once I've repaired rubber roof, once I've done rubber roof, I can put this side panel in. You can see here, it's absolutely pouring in. So I need to get that done as soon as I can. Right, so I'm just going to get some more of these battens on outside. The rubber roof has arrived. Also some trims in a box there, and all the other bits, sealant, and I've got that, I don't know what it's called, like a top hat type thing. That's going to be for soil pipe and flues and stuff. I'm going to put front roof, and then there's just a DIY kit. So I've got this from Rubber for Roofs. Yeah, so we'll see if I can get that front roof. It is quite heavy. I might need a hand just to lift it onto the roof. I've managed to get the rubber. It was really heavy. I've put it up on the roof. It's absolutely pouring it down though. So I've just laid it out on the roof for now, just to try and weather it a little bit inside. It's still going to leak because I can't seal this joint here because it's leaking, but it's going to stop water getting in the rest of that there. So I've just overlapped it down on sides. So that's just it, temporary at the moment. It's briefly stopped raining, although it's just starting again now, but I managed to just join this. It's a little bit rough because I had to dry it off quickly, and I've put some tape underneath. It's like a joining tape. Once I've done this, once I've finished this roof, I'm going to put one of joining strips over the top of that as well. I don't think you need to do that, but I'd rather do it. I'd rather be safe than sorry, really. Ideally, if it had been nice weather, I would have done half the roof first, and then I would have folded it down onto this, but I can only do what I can do. I just needed to try and stop the water getting inside. These are the joining strips that I'm going to be using, or I've used this one already, and that one, that's like sticky on both sides, and then that is where you can lap the two pieces of rubber together. So obviously you'd clean your rubber up and then you'd lap that together, and then this one is sticky just on one side, and you see there, and that'd be if you're going to do the joint over the top. I'm sort of belt and braces with this, so I'm going to do, well, I've already done this one under, as you've just seen, and then I'm going to do that one over top once I've finished rest at roof, really. We've got it watertight now. I've just put some rubber on the side of there, just to protect it for now. I've started to put the electrics in, so I've started to put the sockets in. We'll just have a look inside. Might be a bit dark in here when we're going here now. We've got a door on there. We'll go inside now. So it's starting to come on, it's looking good. I've put like a support on that wall there, just to try and strengthen that a little bit. And I'm going to put some shelves on here. I'm going to put them on, I'm going to probably use this stuff, these SIP panels. So what I'll do is I'll put some timbers on there and I'll screw them in from the other side, and then that'll strengthen them walls up as well, and you won't even tell because it was just part of wall. So yeah, I've got sockets on now, sockets working. Just put heater on in here just to try and dry it out a little bit, because obviously we got lots and lots of water in here. But yeah, it's coming on good. I'm quite pleased with it all, to be honest. There was some talk, somebody said about the damp proof on this, just to point out that when I put the base in, it did have plastic visqueen underneath on the concrete. Just a little bit of concrete has run down, so you can't really see it as much. And then I'm gonna paint this with some slurry in here. Also, I've got a DPC there. This block paving is higher than what I expected, to be honest. But we've got what we've got. Well, I think it'll stay dry, to be honest. But we'll see. I'll try and do what I can with that. I'm going to sort this drain out as well here. And that's it really for today. So the next thing I'm going to be doing the cladding. That's not arrived yet. I'll do that on the next video. I'm also going to put underfloor heating in here. I'm going to put a central heating system in. I'm going to put some boilers in, and this is going to be a little bit like my YouTube room, where I can do some faults and stuff on boilers. Yeah, it's coming on good, and I'm really pleased with it. If you've got any questions, please ask them in comments below, and I'll try and add them into the next video if I can. Yeah, thanks for watching.